Hi folks, I'm Doug at Stihl Hs, and this is a Stihl Hs 45 that I've replaced the handle and with handguard as marked on the thing. The part number is 4228 791 0101, and it's dead easy, but it's a little bit of a complex thing to do. Now when it comes to taking off this handle with handguard, there's 3 bolts, one there, and how the hell do I get to that one? Well, what you do is you take this cover off. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. There are different thread thicknesses. Metal is a fine thread. Plastic is a coarse thread. Fine thread, coarse thread. Fine thread in metal, coarse thread into plastic. So now, you take this cover off, you then unplug the spark plug, undo the spark plug, and there's a hole which you can put a T27 torque bit through to undo that. Dead easy. All you've got to do then after that is re-put the spark plug in, tighten it up, just give it a quick nip up, put the cap on, feed the cable through this slot here so it goes over the top, and that's your handle fitted. All you've got to do is remember, plastic, coarse thread, fine thread, metal. So that's how you fit a Stihl Hs 45 handle on. Hopefully that was helpful folks. Take care and see you next video. Bye.